Hey everyone, so today I will be sharing you some thoughts about this amazing dog toy here. Um, it looks like just like a random ball, but it's not. So I have a dog that's actually a very heavy chewer, and I've always struggled to try to find toys that are viable for him, that will support his chewing needs, and at the same time, pretty much keep him entertained. A lot of times, we know what it's like to have a dog. It takes quite a bit out of you, and sometimes you just don't have that energy. So it's always nice to find a toy that will keep them entertained. So this right here, I'm sure you guys can see the small worn out Kong. So this is a black Kong ball. The sizing on it is gonna be a medium slash large. I guess, I don't know, they only have two sizes. They have a small and then a medium slash large. This ball comes in at about 3 inches, 3 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches, and it is about 9 ounces. So it's fairly heavy. If you guys know anything about Kong, you know that Kong makes a lot of different toys for chewers. They're different colors, um, signify what strength the toy is. The black is going to be the most premium one. It is the strongest one that they have around, and it's for heavy chewers as well. One nice thing about the black Kongs, pretty much any toy that they make, in whatever shape it comes, either a bone or a ball or whatever it is that the toys are strong, they're durable, as you can hear, but at the same time, they still do provide a good flex, so that way the dog gets a nice and good um, satisfaction out of chewing it. What I ran into, especially with my dog, is that since he's a heavy chewer, a lot of toys don't last, but at the same time, he likes to still feel something between his teeth. He doesn't want to necessarily just bite on something, some sort of wood or something hard, a hard surface. He wants to still be able to feel that rubber feel a lot of times. So I'm glad that they were able to figure that out. They have this rubber. I'm not exactly sure what it's made of, but I mean, it's some sort of rubber. It's some of the strongest rubbers I've seen around. It still gives the dog satisfaction of chewing, but at the same time, it's gonna give you the satisfaction of not having to spend so much money on it, because you pretty much only need one. A lot of times, I also have some other toys. I have a Black Kong bone. That one I've actually run through two because I was able to find a structural weakness on it, and so was my dog, and I had to throw away before anything happens. But on this ball is really interesting because so far I haven't been able to find a way that this ball can be cracked or chipped off, and you can tell this is relatively been used. But so far haven't found any structural weaknesses, which is great. Um, what you notice here, just right off the bat, is pretty simple. Design obviously is round. You can tell where they put it all together, but the most important part is right here, where you can stuff toys inside of it. Oh, not toys, chews or food or whatever you want, to kind of heighten the dog's entertainment. What's nice about this is that if your dog gets bored really easy and he gets sick and tired of just chewing on it, if you put some sort of food item in there, it drives them pretty nuts. The only downside to that is that, unlike the other Black Kong toys that it had that are out there on the market, this actually doesn't have any grooves. So what can easily happen a lot of times is that the dog will just pretty much just slobber on it, for the lack of a better description. It will pretty much just slobber on it. It'll actually push the food on out. What you'll notice is that one side is bigger than the other. So you kind of have to be careful with that too. But then again, the dog finds that out very quickly, that this side is smaller than this side. So he or she focuses on the bigger side in order to slide the food out. That's the only bad thing that I found about it. Otherwise, it's a great product. It's made in the USA. To my knowledge, it's made in the USA, and from what I understand, there hasn't been any recalls for Kong, which is great, because you always want to give your dog a toy that's going to last, but also it's going to make sure that he's healthy as well too. So that's always a really good item. It also, the pricing wise, is actually relatively cheap compared to what you'd be getting it. It does have a really good bounce to it, so if your dog does like to play fetch, that's also a good idea as well too. As you can see, it has a very easy bounce, but it's also very heavy as well too. Um, my dog personally likes to run after it. He likes to play fetch with it, and it's nice. He doesn't really chew on this too much for some reason. I suspect it's because how big it is. It pretty much just limits his mouth, and he probably just doesn't like having his mouth that open because he starts to lose control over it. I suspect. I'm not sure. He hasn't really communicated that to me, but otherwise, it's a really good tool. I mean, it's a really good tool to just throw around because when he does get excited, as you know, all dogs do after catching a ball that they fetched, they're gonna bring it back to you, and a lot of times their teeth are clenched. And what's nice is that at least they're gonna bring it back in one piece. One word of caution that I do say though is if you do play fetch with this, make sure that um, the trajectory of the ball is not towards anything that is easily breakable, because since this is so heavy, you can easily break a window. You can probably injure somebody, obviously, if you throw it directly at them. The bounce is very strong, which I suspect is because of the rubber and because of the weight. But just be very careful because this can break windows. I haven't broken any windows yet. So if you play in the house or if you play outside, just be careful with that. Otherwise, this is an amazing toy, especially for people who are looking for toys for their dogs that are going to last, that are relatively cheap, that are safe, and at the end of the day is going to keep them entertained. Because that's pretty much the main idea. All right. Thank you so much.